unplug that one.
Okay.
And go to the other end and we'll show you what the ends look like all together. That's probably the best way about it.
Pull this one out?
Yep. Yeah, with the trigger. Yep.
Uh-huh.
So this one has 3 main ones.
Yep.
So those 3 are the power.
Yep.
Those 2 are your signal. With this one you have 2 signal up there and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power. So that's can handle 3 phase.
Yes.
Whereas this one can only handle single phase.
Okay.
And so with these ones,
That won't plug into here then?
that won't plug
No.
in here. So this, okay, this is the end that plugs into your charger.
Right.
And then this is your type 2.
Okay, so that goes in, so basically this could be a fast charger.
No,
No?
no, fast charger is the word used for a DC one. So
Okay.
twice the capacity of this at the minimum. So this is a type 2, so this is what's on a Kona. So on a Kona, that'll have a socket there,
The same as that?
the same as that.
Yeah. Okay.
Whereas this is the type 1, the old one. And so that's why 2 different cables means you can pretty well charge anything. So the Teslas also use this same one, the type 2. And more people are carrying their own cables. So we've got a cable in the back here exactly the same as this. It's black instead of orange. And so a lot of the time people won't need your cables. So perfectly fine for you to keep your cables in where it's clean and so on.
That's where most of them will be.
Yeah, get them on request.